Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Father House Design, a place where you can discover beautiful homes, inspiring architecture, and relaxing house tour videos. Today we will explore a stunning modern tropical house that perfectly combines natural materials, warm interiors, and peaceful outdoor living. Let's take a closer look at every corner of this beautiful home. From the front view, the house immediately gives a welcoming impression. The architecture combines clean modern lines with warm wooden elements that blend naturally with the surrounding greenery. Large windows allow sunlight to brighten the facade while the lush garden enhances the peaceful tropical atmosphere. The entrance pathway and landscaped plants guide visitors toward a home that feels both elegant and comfortable. Now we step into the living room, where the interior feels bright, open, and inviting. Large glass windows allow natural light to fill the space while offering beautiful outdoor views. Soft sofas, warm wood textures, and minimal decoration create a calm environment perfect for relaxing or spending time with family. The open layout also allows fresh air and natural scenery to become part of the living experience. Next we enter the bedroom area, a private and peaceful space designed for rest and comfort. The room features large windows that bring in natural light while offering relaxing views of the surrounding greenery. Neutral colors, soft bedding, and natural materials create a calm atmosphere that makes the bedroom feel like a quiet retreat inside the home. Moving into the bathroom, the design focuses on simplicity and relaxation. Clean lines, bright surfaces, and natural textures create a fresh and modern atmosphere. The space feels open and comfortable, combining practicality with a subtle spa-like feeling that enhances the daily routine. Now we explore the kitchen, a warm and functional area designed for everyday living. Wooden cabinetry, clean countertops, and natural lighting make the space both beautiful and practical. The layout is simple and efficient, allowing cooking and meal preparation to feel enjoyable while staying connected to the rest of the home. Next is the dining room, where the home creates a perfect place for gathering and sharing meals. The dining space feels bright and welcoming, surrounded by natural light and views of the garden. A simple dining table, warm materials, and a calm atmosphere make this area ideal for family moments and relaxed conversations. After the dining area, we move to the laundry room. This space is designed to be practical while still maintaining the same clean and warm aesthetic of the home. Smart storage, organized shelves, and natural lighting make everyday tasks more comfortable and efficient. Even this functional space feels pleasant and well integrated into the overall house design. Finally, we step outside into the backyard, where the beauty of this tropical home truly shines. The garden features lush greenery, open lawn spaces, and relaxing outdoor seating areas. This backyard becomes a peaceful retreat where you can enjoy fresh air, sunlight, and quiet moments surrounded by nature. Thank you for watching Good Father House Design. If you enjoy beautiful house tours, architecture inspiration, and relaxing home design videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring house design. See you in the next video.